So hello everyone, welcome back to School Coaching Point. So today, in today's topic, we'll discuss few things regarding the curves. So curve means how can you define a curve? Any figure, when you draw any figure. Suppose this is the figure. When you draw any figure without lifting the tip of the pen. This is the tip of the pen. So when you draw any figure without lifting the tip of the pen, this is known as the curve. And curve you can classify it in mainly two parts. One is open curve, another one is closed curve. So closed curve, first of all, closed curve means their starting point and ending point should be same. So here you have seen this is the starting point of the curve and ending point of the curve. That means when the starting point, this is the starting point and this is the ending point also. So when the starting point and ending point is same, so we can say that this is a closed curve. An open curve means when the starting point and ending point, they are never same. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. So here we have seen that starting point and ending points are not same. That time we can say that this is a open curve. So once again I am repeat the things. So curve means it should be a figure when you draw the figure without lifting the tip of the pen. This is the tip of the pen. When you draw any figure without lifting the tip of the pen, we can say that this is a curve. And mainly we can classify the curve in two types. One is the open curve and another one is the closed curve. Yes. So closed curve means the starting point and ending point of the curve should be same. And in open curve, the starting and ending point should not meet each other. This is known as the open curve. After that, the curve we can classify in simple curve and not simple. Simple means what? Suppose when you draw any curve, suppose this is a curve, closed curve. So here we have seen that in this curve we never get any intersecting point. That means in a curve, in a closed curve, when we never get any intersecting point, this is known as simple curve. So what do you mean by intersecting point? Suppose this is also a curve. Yes, this is also a curve. But here we have seen this is the intersecting point. This is the intersecting point. Since here we get the intersecting point, so we never consider this one as a simple curve. Yes. So in simple curve there should not be any intersecting point. And when the curve is not simple, we can say that there should be one intersecting point, at least one intersecting point. So this figure we consider as a not simple. That means this curve is not a simple curve, but this one is a simple curve. Then after that, next topic is polygon. So polygon is also a curve. We consider that polygon is also a curve. But thing is that how can you define a polygon? Polygon means it should be a closed figure. Polygon means it should be a closed figure but bounded by the line segment. So polygon, it should be a closed figure but bounded by the line segment. So here this is a closed figure, and here we have seen that this closed figure is bounded by the line segment. So this one we consider as a polygon. So polygon means what? It should be a closed figure but bounded by the line segment, and depending on the number of line segment we can classify the polygon in different way. That means when the number of side is 4, when there are four sides, so we can say that it is a quadrilateral. Suppose there are 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5, so we can say that this is a pentagon. So depending on the number of sides we can classify the polygon. When there are 6 sides, we can say that this is a hexagon. When there are 7 sides, we can say that it is a heptagon. And minimum number of sides to get a polygon, so this is one of the important points you should remember. So minimum number of sides to get a polygon is 3. Yes, the minimum number of sides to get a polygon is 3, and which is the triangle. Yes, triangle is the least number. To get the triangle, least number of sides we need. minimum number of sides, minimum 3 sides we need to get a polygon. And what should be the name of the polygon? This is known as the triangle. Is it clear to you? So triangle is a polygon with minimum number of sides. Then depending on the side we can classify the polygon. Just now I have explained. And after that I will give the explanation what do you mean by diagonals. How can you define a diagonals? Now when you draw a polygon, suppose this is a polygon. So here how many sides? It has 4 sides, so we consider it was a quadrilateral. Yes. So in quadrilateral, when you, so ABCD we consider as a quadrilateral. So it's a polygon having the 4 sides. That's why we consider this one as a quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral we have seen that there are 2 pair of opposite vertex. So this is A, this is C. These are what? Lying exactly the opposite side, opposite vertex. Similarly, D and B is also opposite vertex. So diagonal means what? It should be a line. Diagonal is nothing but a line joining the opposite vertex of a polygon. So here when you join opposite vertex A and C, we get the diagonal AC. Similarly, when you join B and D, the opposite vertex, we get the diagonal BD. So simply, how can I define a diagonal? Diagonal means it should be the line. It should be a line joining the opposite vertex of a polygon.